Okay, so this is going to be, first of all, hello. This is going to be the stateroom tour on Carnival Venezia for room 2351. So what you're going to do, because this is I would say a secluded area, there's a specific way to get to it. I'm going to show you probably what you are wanting to know, okay? So you're going to see these staterooms, right? You're going to see this, okay? 2351 is going to be in a hallway like this. Come here, and the video, the side that I just showed you is the odd side, okay? It's the odd side. Down there is the even side. So to show you what it's going to look like, is you're going to be midship, okay? This is the aft, back, forward, front. Where you see is red is mid, so you're going to be midship for 2351. And then they do have smart elevators on this one. So you're going to see this little porthole right here in your hallways, okay, that way, and that's the way we came from. And then you're going to come in here, and there are only 2 staterooms, 2351, which is ours, and then you have 2349, and all this is crew stuff. And then that hallway right there will lead you to the even side of midship deck 2. So now we're about to head back to the room, give you a room tour of 2351. This is it. Two twins put together. Nice TV. I'm not sure if it comes out. It does not come out, no problem. You have your waters, boom. You have your fridge. Opens on this side, boom. Cool, cool. You have your beach towels, shelves. Always make sure that you return your beach towels and that you keep track, okay? Open corner for luggage, things like that. Extra storage space. Lamp, okay. Nice decor. Same thing on this side, on this nightstand. Open space, lamp, and then you have 2 USB ports on that side. Let me go back over to the other side to check and see if that one has USB ports. This side does not, okay? But you have your light right there in the middle of the bed. Let's see what that does. Turns off the lights above. There we go. And then we have your snack, order your food, room service. Cool, cool. Your remote. You have your, I'm not even sure what this one is. Boom, but you have USB there. You have more USB, well, not USB, but your normal plugs right here, okay? And then you have your European plug. And you have your itinerary. Cool, cool. Now let's see. Lights up your vanity. Perfect. So this is an awesome place for the guy and the gals who do their makeup, hair, whatever. Paper, pencil, hair dryer. That one doesn't move, but you have your stool. right here. Trash can there. Okay. Phone for room service, guest services. And there's nothing else back there but the plug to connect the phone. And then you have closet, right? Hangers, life jackets, okay? Boom, boom. It's a very tight space back here. So this one will be easy to access, okay? And then for this one, you actually have to like come over here, like in the corner, and then like squeeze around to access it, okay? Top shelf, middle shelf, and then you have your safe, okay? Cards, money, passports, things like that. Another shelf, right? Drawer 1, drawer 2, and drawer 3. And those will be your laundry bags, okay? But since we're platinum, our laundry will be included. So that is definitely a plus. And keep in mind that this is a very, very tight space, okay? All right. Layout of the room. The layout is very unique. It's not like your traditional staterooms, okay? Your snooze, this is what you put outside your door when you don't want your stateroom attendant to bother you. And then ours actually came with a card in here. For those of you who know, you need a card in here to access your lights within your room. So they already had this in our stateroom prior to coming in. And then here is protocol rules, help to let you know where you are located on the ship, the location of your muster drill, where to go and what to do in case of a fire, and how to apply your life jacket, okay? So if you're interested in those things, you simply read the instructions and things like that, and this gives you a more in-depth detail on how to access your muster station from your actual stateroom. Here you have your thermostat, okay? Normally to kill germs, they have it on the cool. This is not the coolest setting. It goes further down. Well, I thought it goes further down. Oh, wait. Yes, it does go further down. So, awesome. And then here we have our bathroom. Bathroom light, I'm assuming is this light outside of it. And I love the Italian style ships because they don't have those dingy curtains. They come with glass, just like the XL class ships of Mardi Gras, Jubilee, and Celebration. I love it. You have towels, your magnifying mirror, and then you have your countertops, which are nice Italian style. I love it. You have your tissue, your trash can over there. And you have your soap, more shelves, more shelves, and more shelves. And these have like a little ledge, so if you see this glass, it can't fall straight off. It would take a lot of tilting of the ship for this to actually tip over, okay? So that's awesome. And then the decor. Awesome, awesome. And then I'm assuming here if you have like a hair dryer or whatever, I'm not even sure what this thing is, but for those of you who know what this is and you're wondering if they have it, whatever it is, they got it. Okay. Toilet, of course, everyone knows how to use that. And then you have a little cleaning thing for those of you who leave a little brown stuff after your little poopy. Okay. All right. Ain't no shame in it. We all got to do it. We all got to do it. Make sure that you don't flush objects down the toilet that do not belong, all right? Do not throw bulky items into the toilet. No maxi pads, tampons, anything like that. You don't want to do that and clog your toilet. And then when it comes to your shower, spacious. Okay. And then this actually, well, I'm caught. This comes off. All right. And you can do what you need to do with it. Just put it back. Boom. Shower gel and shampoo. And then you can always take this thing from here across. Oh, come on. There we go. Wait, up. There we go. And with that line, if you can see it, it goes across. That's where you can hang your wet clothes from, the hot tub, the swimming pool, so on and so forth, okay? That's what that is. All right, so that is the room tour and how you access this particular stateroom. And yes, you have plenty of space underneath your bed. Let me show you real quick. We came in and we were able to already put our luggage underneath the bed, and those are 2 carry-on size suitcases. So you have all that space underneath the bed, okay? So that's perfect. So please be mindful of, you know, the space that you have. We have the 2 carry-ons and we have 3 check bags and 2 book bags with us. So we're gonna make this work. We had already researched the room before we got here, so we were very well prepared. But she was on my case because she told me I needed to do a more in-depth and detailed room tour and take my time and not speed through things and actually show you guys what this room is, the space, so on and so forth. So hopefully this specific room tour on board Carnival Venezia, room 2351, was very helpful for your upcoming cruise. And if you have any questions, holla at your boy. If I can answer it, please know that I will. Thanks for tuning in. So in addition to the benefit of room 2351, we've been unpacking for the past 45 minutes to an hour. Like, it's 3:36 now. I don't even remember what time Sail Away started. But it just dawned on me, and I told her, like, dang, it's quiet. Like, we haven't heard any noise, and it's because of this secluded area. And she had told me once that door closes, when you see the people out by the elevator, you can't hear them. And being in this little hallway, like I said, it dawned on me, like, you can't hear anything. There's no kids running back and forth. There's no people talking, trying to find their rooms and things like that. There's only one person next to us. So the chances of someone coming stumbling by our door, drunk or super loud, obnoxious, whatever the case may be, is very, very, very slim. So if you are looking for a room that is secluded and quiet, this room and the room next to us that I gave you the room number before, it's the way to go. So yeah, just came across that thought and thought I would share.